Hi, I'm Liliana, and this is the Medina County Career Center. I am from Brunswick High School, and this is our automotive collision classroom. For my college plans, this class has interested me so much that I'm going to Ohio Technical in the future for refinishing and more technical electrical duties. So I'm going to pull you over to the paint booth. So this is our spray booth. This is where we do our painting and refinishing, and I'm going to hand it over to Cole.
Hello everyone, I'm Cole from Medina County Career Center, and my home school is Brunswick. And one reason why I took collision is I wanted to learn restoration and fabrication. So let's go on back to the mixing room. And then this is our mixing room. Right here is our digital scale, and right here I already have my clear coat made and my base coat's in there. And now we'll head into the booth.
After the spray booth, now we're going to head over to plasma cutting with our next station. Now for auto collision, we have many specifications with our certifications. So we have spray gun, OSHA, and SB2, which helps us with personal protective equipment. So here you go, heading off to Maya.
Hello, I'm going to be showing you how we plasma cut here. So the first important step is that we have to make sure that we have the proper PPE equipment. Examples are my safety glasses, my Shade 6 helmet, my gauntlets, jackets, etc. Let me just show you how it works. It's easy.
So now we're going to head over to Mark, who's doing MIG welding. Okay, and now after welding, we're going to send you over to our frame machine. Whenever the car is in a huge collision with another car, we have to use 1,000 pounds to try and pull it back to pre-accident condition, so where it's almost brand new. And now this is John, and he is going to be doing oxygen acetylene, which is the same thing as plasma. And now this is Jacob, and he is doing the dent removal with the slide hammer. And now this is Mark again, who's doing spray simulation. And this is Dylan, who's doing another spray simulation with our state-of-the-art virtual reality. So now we're going into the paint booth with Cole, who's doing clear coat on his panel. Thank you for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed our classroom, and I hope I get to see you next year in automotive collision technology for this classroom. Thank you.